Okay, so we're gonna look at wading birds of the Everglades. All right, folks. So we got the great blue heron. We also got the green heron, which is a smaller bird, and the limpkin, which is about a little smaller than that great blue heron. That great blue heron is huge. And we have the white abyss, and we have little blue heron, and the snowy egret. This is a big bird. This is a big bird. There goes a woodstock right there. Rosette spoonbill. That's a pretty bird.
We gotta walk and then go to run.
And we got great egret flying around here. So wading birds of the Everglades. More than 15 species of wading birds can be seen walking through the shallow waters of the Everglades, searching for tasty meals of fish, snails, or frogs. Sounds good to me. So these are some of the birds, but there are more than 15 species of wading birds. Yeah. So when all them little small fish are missing, you already know who got them.